Ew. Okay, hey guys, what's up? My name is Annika and today I'm going to be forcing a glow up. This isn't a real glow up that I'm forcing because a real glow up is a glow up of the mind, body, and spirit. This is just a glow up of the face and maybe hair if I feel like it. So yeah, let's get it. I look so ugly. This is good, it's good, it's good. We can have a really low point to start for the glow up. So I'll get a good picture. I just finished watching Rhythm and Flow on Netflix, and if you haven't watched it, you need to watch that shit right now. Only 10 episodes, but the judges, oh my god, the judges are Cardi, Chance, and T.I. But now I'm watching Victorious. A close second. That shit slaps so hard. It's so weird to watch those shows like Victorious and iCarly, like Drake and Josh, those shows where the kids are in high school. It's weird to watch them now because I still see them as so much older than me when it's like they're my age. But in Victorious, just the fact that they were all so attractive, it's just like weird. I don't know, like Sinjin.
A rich nigga, 8-figure, that's my type. That's my type.
For real. What does Sinjin look like today? That's what I want to know. Oh god, this is what he looks like now. I don't know how I feel about that. I mean, he's doing the best he could with what he was given. I mean, aren't we all? I am too. That's what this whole video is. Fuck me in the ass and call me Sinjin. For real, bro. We're already 7 minutes into this video and I'm just putting gel on my eyebrows. Hopefully when I edit it down, it'll only be like 3 minutes. That's usually how it be. I can edit a 30-minute clip into like less than 10 minutes. There's just a lot of silence in my clips, I'm not gonna lie. My hair is really like the biggest part of this. It's like making me the ugliest. So I don't know if I should do it first or save it for last so that like we can full transformation. It's also probably greasy. I think we should just keep going. Okay, sanitize my hands, moisturize my face with the Dermatological. I have this like dot, I don't know if you can see it. It's a scar at this point from like me popping pimples that aren't really there. Yeah, I like to pick at my skin. I'll like see something, I'll think it's a pimple, I'll start picking it, and then it'll like make a spot on my face. Like it'll be more visible than it was before. Someone help me get it together. I've been using the Milani Retouch and Erase Concealer. I don't know why, she's just been doing me good. But on a real note, what are you guys watching? Like on Netflix or Hulu? Because I swear I have seen everything. I feel like it would be easier to name the things that I haven't watched. Wow, this is so interesting. I sometimes feel like the universe is out to get me. My dad went to the grocery store to get me mac and cheese from the Hot Bar because I wanted Hot Bar mac and cheese, like from like Wegman. I'm not even gonna tell the story. It's gonna make me sad. Where is my concealer? Good thing I have another one. Joke's on you, bitch. They have Victorious on Netflix. They have Sam and Cat on Netflix. They don't have iCarly on Netflix. I'm just wondering what that's about. But like also watching Victorious now, that show was so weird. Psychowitz, I don't think we ever like really thought about everything. And also they were all kissing so much. Like I get it was a performing arts school, but they were all just so comfortable with just kissing each other. And I feel like I go to a liberal arts school and like we do shows like but we never kiss in the shows. I mean maybe I'm just not that involved in the theater department, but we're already looking so much better. You guys know the fucking Okay Boomer song that's like on TikTok that's like old ladies suck. Okay Boomer, okay Boomer, okay Boomer. The guy who fucking remixed that song graduated from my school my freshman year. Like I fucking knew him. That's all I had to say on that. I think about that every single day. It's the first thing I think about when I go to bed and the last thing. Let me fix my eyebrow that I rubbed off while doing moisturizer. Oh, I literally hate doing my eyebrows. It's one of the most necessary steps in my makeup routine and it's my least favorite. I have no patience for it and I feel like they hate me and they're just like literally out to get me. Like, I'm doing this for you. Why you gotta be like that? Why you gotta be like that? Yeah. Ew. Okay, so this glow up is not going super great so far. Oh my god, my nose is literally peeling. What the fuck? I'm moisturized. Okay, we're just gonna turn this light off. Okay. 22 minutes in. We're gonna have to pick up the pace, y'all. Stop being so slow. Okay, get with it. How many weeks until Thanksgiving? Because if it's more than 2, I swear to God. I think it's more than 2. I think it's 3. How many weeks until Thanksgiving?
Thanksgiving Day is in 3 weeks.
Did you say 2 or 3?
Thanksgiving Day is in 3 weeks.
3. I just like want to be out of school. I love how every Friday and Saturday night everybody's like, and then on Friday and Saturday night I was watching Victorious. No place I'd rather be. I'm so charismatic. You should subscribe. The true reason why I'm doing my makeup right now is so I can look cute for TikToks. I'm guessing it's almost 3 p.m. No, it's 1:58. We got time. I'll finish this video before 2:30, hopefully. Honestly, maybe not. Once the contour goes on, it all changes for real. Honestly, every single step of the makeup process just brings you further. Each step is an extra point. We started at -1, so we got eyebrows, concealer, contour. We're at a solid 2 right now. Now we're gonna do bronzer, so I can be bronzer. Get it? Cause like, more bronzer. I need actual psychiatric help. It's okay. I think I just need human interaction. That's why I'm talking to a camera. That's why we all talk to cameras, isn't it? We just want basic human interaction. You can dream it, you can do it. You know what I'm saying, man? Dude, Sinjin, no! I feel like I should do eyeshadow, but also... maybe. I'm not going nowhere, so I'm not gonna do eyeshadow. So I'm gonna use my Rach Loves Pixi palette. One of the shades broke, but I was still using it, and then yesterday Lola came over and she just opened this palette sideways. She didn't know it was broken. This highlight is so... oh, how was you feeling, bro? Feeling like a 4. I feel fantastic. Okay, cool. We're looking good. Now mascara. We also do a little lash moment too. You wanna do a little lash moment? We can do a little lash moment. Little lash moment. Little lash moment. Maybe one of these. Are these gonna be too big? These lashes like look small to me, but I feel like once I put them on my eye, they're gonna be huge. I just have zero concept of how big lashes are. That could work. I'm gonna cut it from the inside. I know you're supposed to cut it from the outside, and normally I do, but this one, no reason for it to be that long. I definitely just cut off way too fucking much. That's on me. You caught me slipping. Maybe I should just put on mascara. I don't think I should do this. I literally cut off so much of that. I like these ones. Do 105? We'll do it from the outside this time. I guess they was right. Okay, we're doing it. Oh my god, no. Why did bday yellow stuck in my head? Is she going to what? Who? I'm gonna put these on and I'll come back when I'm done. Alright, I finally got these lashes on. I don't know if Dodo lashes are cruelty free or not. I got them a while ago. Not necessarily suggesting them. These are just the ones that I saw. So I feel like now we're at a solid 5. I like it's kind of popping off, but not quite, you know? I don't know, I'm really picky. But I want to do a little bit more highlighting in like the inner places. But I literally can't find a clean brush. I have not cleaned my brushes in so long. Even longer than the last time I said I hadn't cleaned my brushes, because I haven't cleaned them since then either. Now we get to fix my hair. Okay. Ew. I'm gonna brush it and put some dry shampoo in it, and then when we come back maybe it'll look better. So we're landing at a solid 6.5. Non-judgmental opinion, a solid 6.5, which is good. We've come miles from where we began, okay? Think about where we started at a -1. Do a flashback. Let's roll the clip. Poor little Annika, okay? Look at her now. She's doing so much better. As I've mentioned multiple other times in the video, just remember that this was not a true glow up. A true glow up is happening 24/7 as we speak. My mind, my body, and my spirit. This isn't the full glow up, y'all. My hair is so greasy. Okay, lip gloss. So this is the finished -1 to 6.5 look. Remember how I said I wanted to finish this before 2:30? It's 2:30. We're gonna end this here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my forced glow up. Yeah, please comment, subscribe, suck my dick, check out my other videos, give me inspiration for more in the comments. I literally love you so much. I don't think you understand the appreciation I have for you. Thank you for coming by and checking out this video.